Says she wanna ride up on it. I ain't playing no games, baby, grind up on it. Says she wanna slow down, ride up on it. She'll be fucking with a real ass nigga if she grinds up on this. And I
Hello, hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on my video. I'm Oli Pepe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate you. So guys, on today's video, I plan on doing a very easy and achievable makeup tutorial, but it's also affordable. And yeah, that's basically just it. Before I start, please kindly subscribe if you've not, and also give my video a big thumbs up. Also drop a comment down below. I really appreciate that. And I guess let's dive right into the video. Okay, so guys, I already do my brows off camera, and for eyeshadow base I used my Glams Makeup concealer in the shade Golden Beige, and I also went ahead to set that using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And yeah, that's basically just my eye prep routine. So on today's video, I plan on doing something really easy and very achievable and also beginner friendly. You know the vibes. So now for eyeshadow, I'm going to be reaching into my BH Cosmetics eyeshadow and blush palette, and I'll be using this shade right here. This is kind of like a dark purple shade. I don't know. I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, just kind of like pack that onto my eyelid. Okay, so guys, that will be all for the eyeshadow look, and I already popped on my lashes off camera, and now I'm just going to dive into skin work. For primer today, I'm going to be using my Zaron face primer. So next step is to apply foundation, and today I'm going to be using my Super Stay foundation from Maybelline in the shade Java. And before I apply that, I'm going to be spraying my foundation brush with a bit of rose water, and then just basically go ahead and blend it all out. To highlight underneath my eye today, I'm going to be using this my foundation from Zekiel, and this is in the shade Golden Caramel. So I'm not going to go ahead and pop that underneath my eye. This is the same foundation that I use as contour, but this is like the lighter shade. And mind you, this foundation is really thick, by the way. The consistency is so thick. I know this is like really light for me to highlight with. I'm only going to be popping that underneath my eye, and then I'll go ahead and use my LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Chestnut just to highlight the rest of my face. So now it's time to contour, and now I'll be using my foundation from Zekiel in the shade Cow Cow, and basically just go ahead and pop that right in the required places. The next thing I'm going to be doing is to set my face using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. You guys, funny how I didn't used to really like this powder before, and nowadays I just almost can't reach into my bag for setting powders and pick any other setting powder. it was almost like as soon as I figured out how to use it and how to work with it best, there was no going back. Like there are days I'm like, okay, today I'm going to reach into my bag and use something else other than this Sacha Buttercup setting powder, but I always end up using this. Like this is like my go-to setting powder right now. So to set my contour, I'm going to be using this my face definer from LA Pride. Also go back in for a bit of reverse contour using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. So the next step is to apply blush, going back into the same palette that I used for my eyelid. This is my Beige Cosmetics blush and eyeshadow palette. So using this really fluffy brush. For bronzer, I'm going to be using my CoverGirl bronzer in the shade Ebony. Guys, this fell and broke the last time I used it. I was so as broken, like so as broken. I'll just advise that anytime you do your makeup, make sure to pack your products ASAP. Like as soon as you're done, just pack them away safely, because I have myself to blame for not packing up my product as soon as I was done. Just me being lazy. So next thing I'm going to be doing is to blow out my waterline using the same shade that I used for my eyelid, from the same palette that I used for both my blush and my eyelid. Now the next step is to highlight my face, and I'm going to be using my Revolution Golden Sugar 2 Rose Gold blush palette, and I'll be using this shade right here to highlight my face. So to complete the look, I have to set my face, and first I'll be setting my face using my rose water. This has rose water in it. I'm just going to go ahead and use that. And I'm going to go ahead and use my setting spray from Kiss Beauty and just yeah. So guys, I finally come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please kindly subscribe if you've not, and also give my video a big thumbs up. Also drop a comment down below, and I guess until next time guys, bye.
Says she wanna ride up on it. I ain't playing no games, baby, grind up on it. Says she wanna slow down, ride up on it. She'll be fucking with a real ass nigga if she grinds up on this. And I ain't asking you again, baby girl, where's your ends? it down straight to your crib. I'm a once baby girl, fuck friends. And fuck all your friends, they're pretending. I know they wanna roll with my niggas cause they know that they're fucking with that skin ting. And baby girls need protecting. I know she's freaky. Need you morning, evening, work me, bad girl, re.